Ever wondered why Hungary is often referred to as the heart of Europe? Well, buckle up as we embark on a virtual journey to explore this Central European gem. Nestled right in the core of the continent, Hungary is a melting pot of Eastern and Western European cultures. Its history, as colorful as its heritage, is a tapestry woven with threads of Roman occupations, Mongol invasions, Ottoman conquests, and the rise and fall of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Today, Hungary stands as a beacon of resilience and transformation, with each city and town echoing tales of its glorious past. Whether it's the imperial grandeur of Budapest, the serene beauty of Lake Balaton, or the enchanting vineyards of Eger, Hungary has a charm that's uniquely its own. So, are you ready to delve into this journey of discovery? With its heart throbbing with history, culture, and unparalleled beauty, Hungary is truly the heart of Europe. One, Budapest. First stop, Budapest, Hungary's capital and the beating heart of the nation. A city where history and modernity intertwine. Budapest is a testament to the country's rich past and vibrant present. Let's begin with the majestic Buda Castle, a symbol of Hungarian royalty. Perched high on Castle Hill, this iconic landmark overlooks the city with a quiet grandeur. The castle is a magnificent display of architecture, with its intricate details and expansive courtyards. And it is not just a castle, but a complex housing multiple museums and galleries, each with its own unique treasures. Moving along the Danube River, we come across the Hungarian Parliament Building. An architectural marvel that stands tall as the third largest parliament building in the world. This Gothic Revival-style building is more than just a place of governance. It's a symbol of national pride and a testament to Hungary's political history. Budapest wouldn't be complete without a mention of the Chain Bridge. This suspension bridge that connects Buda and Pest, the two parts of the city, is more than just a passage. Lit up in the evening, it's a breathtaking sight, illuminating the river below. But Budapest isn't just about historical landmarks. This city truly comes alive at night with its vibrant nightlife scene. From trendy bars and clubs to traditional Hungarian taverns, there's something for everyone. It's a city that never sleeps, where the music and laughter carry on into the early morning hours. Budapest is often referred to as the City of Baths due to its rich thermal waters. Visiting one of these baths is like stepping into a different era, a time when relaxation and rejuvenation were part of everyday life. From its historic landmarks to its lively nightlife and unique thermal baths, Budapest offers a blend of experiences that captivate the heart and stir the soul. 2. Lake Balaton. Next, we travel to Lake Balaton, often referred to as the Hungarian Sea. Enveloped in an air of tranquility and framed by a panorama of rolling vineyards, this vast body of water is the largest in Central Europe. A jewel in Hungary's crown, Lake Balaton captivates with its shimmering expanse and serene beauty. Drinking in the scenery, you'll find yourself surrounded by a picturesque landscape of vineyards that look as though they've been painted onto the hillsides. Burgeoning with an array of grape varieties, these vineyards offer a tantalizing taste of Hungary's rich viticulture heritage. Wine enthusiasts will revel in the opportunity to sample the region's distinct wines, from the crisp whites to the full-bodied reds. But the allure of Lake Balaton doesn't stop at its natural beauty and wine culture. The lake is also a hub for a multitude of recreational activities. Whether you prefer sailing on its gentle waves, fishing in its abundant waters, or simply lounging on its sunny shores, Lake Balaton offers something for everyone. Nestled on the northern shore of the lake, you'll find the historic Széchenyi Abbey, a beacon of cultural significance that dates back to the 11th century. As you explore its ancient corridors, don't forget to pause and take in the breathtaking views of the lake from its vantage point. Lake Balaton, a paradise for nature lovers and wine enthusiasts alike. This Hungarian sea, with its enchanting beauty and rich heritage, is a destination that invites exploration and promises an unforgettable experience. 3. Eger. Now we head to Eger, a city known for its castles, thermal baths, and of course, its wine. A place of rich history and vibrant culture, Eger is a must-visit destination in the heart of Hungary. The city's crown jewel is the Eger Castle, a historical monument that stands as a testament to the city's resilience and spirit. Once a stronghold against the invading Ottoman Empire, today it's a living museum that transports you back to the 16th century. Here, the stories of brave soldiers and their heroic battles echo in the winds, making history come alive. Just as enticing are the thermal baths of Eger. These natural hot springs offer a soothing retreat. A dip in these healing waters rich in minerals is not just a relief for the body, but also a balm for the soul. It's a tradition that dates back to the Roman times, a piece of the past that continues to enrich the present. But Eger is not just about history and relaxation. It's also a city that celebrates life, most notably through its wines. The Széchenyi Valley, known for its wine cellars, is where the city's spirit truly shines. This is the home of Eger Bikaver, a famous red wine. Robust and full-bodied, this wine is as enchanting as the city itself. Eger, a city that intoxicates with its charm and its wine. A visit here is a journey through time, a feast for the senses, and a celebration of life itself. 4. Pecs. We now venture to Pecs, a city that's been a melting pot of cultures for over 2 millennia. This vibrant city, nestled in the southwest of Hungary, is a treasure trove of history and culture that dates back to the Romans. One of the city's crown jewels is the early Christian necropolis. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the city's rich past, with its well-preserved tombs and chapels adorned with exceptional murals. Each line, each color, each figure etched in these ancient walls whispers tales of a time gone by. Of people who once walked these very grounds, and of a culture that thrived and flourished. But Pécs is not just about the past. It's a city that has embraced the new while cherishing the old. The Zsolnay Cultural Quarter is a perfect example of this. Once a porcelain factory, it now stands as a symbol of the city's thriving arts and culture scene. Here you can wander through its labyrinth of buildings, each housing a different piece of the city's creative spirit. From contemporary art exhibitions to music festivals, the Zsolnay Cultural Quarter pulses with creativity and innovation. And then there's the Mosque of Pasha Qasim, a structure that silently narrates the Ottoman chapter of the city's history. Standing majestically against the city skyline, the mosque is a reminder of the city's resilience and its ability to adapt and grow. Today, it serves not just as a monument of the past, but also as a vibrant center for concerts and cultural events. It's a city that invites you to lose yourself in its winding streets, to explore its historical sites, and to immerse yourself in its dynamic cultural scene. Pécs, a city where history meets modernity. 5. Hortobagy National Park. Finally, we journey to Hortobagy National Park, the embodiment of Hungary's unique landscapes. This vast expanse of grassland is often referred to as the Puszta, and it's the largest protected area in Hungary. It's a natural wonder, teeming with a diverse array of flora and fauna. The park is home to over 300 bird species, including the endangered great bustard and the iconic European roller. The grassland is also carpeted with a colorful mix of wildflowers, from the bold poppy to the delicate meadow sage, adding to the park's vibrant biodiversity. But it's not just about the wildlife. Hortobagy National Park also showcases Hungary's rich cultural heritage, particularly in terms of traditional animal husbandry. Here you'll find classic Hungarian breeds such as the grey cattle, the Raka sheep, and the Nonius horse. These animals are not only integral to the park's ecosystem, but they also play a significant role in the local economy and culture. And then there's the iconic Nine-Arch Bridge. This is the longest stone bridge in Hungary, and it's more than just a marvel of engineering. It stands as a symbol of the park, a testament to the enduring human presence in this vast open landscape. Hortobagy National Park, where the spirit of the Hungarian plains truly comes to life. Our journey through Hungary is drawing to a close, but the memories we've made are everlasting. From Budapest's vibrant heart, pulsating with history, culture, and stunning architecture, to the tranquil serenity of Lake Balaton. Often referred to as the Hungarian Sea. Our adventure has been nothing short of marvelous. We've walked the cobblestone streets of Eger, the city of wine and castles, and immersed ourselves in the rich tapestry of culture in Pécs, a city that wears its heritage with pride. Among the many wonders we've encountered, Hortobagy National Park, also known as the Puszta, stands out with its unique and unspoiled landscapes, a testament to Hungary's natural beauty. Each location has offered a unique blend of experiences, flavors, and sights, painting a diverse and captivating portrait of this beautiful country. Hungary is a treasure trove of experiences, from its rich history and culture to its stunning natural landscapes and warm, welcoming locals. It has been a journey of discovery, where every step led us to a new story, a new experience, a new memory. Our journey may be ending, but the allure of Hungary remains. We encourage you to embark on your own Hungarian journey. Experience the charm of Budapest, the tranquility of Lake Balaton, the history of Eger, the culture of Pecs, and the natural beauty of Hortobagy. Hungary, a country where every corner holds a new surprise, awaits your visit.